Okay, 5-2 work together. The directions tell us forms for calculating inventory costs for Jensen Auto are provided for us. Jensen Auto had the following beginning inventory and purchases for an air filter. At the end of the year, 34 units remained in the inventory. Determine the cost of ending inventory using FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average inventory costing methods. And then they give us a little chart of our purchases and our beginning inventory unit prices and that kind of thing. Okay, so first thing, we're going to start with FIFO. Remember, FIFO is first in, first out. That means the first stuff we buy is going to be the first stuff that we sell. So I'm going to first fill in our purchases. So our beginning inventory, we're going to start with 8, and the unit price of those were $9.96. Okay, then in February, we bought 20 more. Those were priced at $10.24. May, we bought 20 more at a price of $10.36 a piece. August, 20 more at a price of $10.46 a piece. And November, 20 at $10.54. So then we're going to add up all of our units. So we started with 8, we bought 20, bought 20, bought 20, bought 20. We're going to end, we had 88 units throughout the year. Okay, this next one, I don't even know why they have a blank space in there for us. We're not going to add up the unit price here. We're going to simply leave that blank. Okay. We are, though, then going to figure out our total cost for each. So here's where we need to take the units that we purchase and the price of each unit. So that first one, we're going to take 8 times $9.96 for a total of $79.68. Next one is a total of $204.8. $207.2, $209.2, and the last one is $210.80. Okay, so next part then is we're going to figure out FIFO units on hand. So first in, first out means the first stuff that we bought is going to be the first stuff that we sell. So this top part should be blank. Remember, first in, first out tells us we're going to start at the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in down here at the bottom how much I have left. And if I go back to my directions, it tells me I have 34 units. So I'm going to type that in for my total. And then I'm going to work my way backwards. So November, we bought 20. I'm going to use all 20 for there. Okay, so 34 minus 20 says I still need to use 14. So from the August purchase, I'm only going to have 14 of those left. Okay. So 14 plus 20 is going to be my total of 34 left. Now the next thing that we're going to do is figure out our FIFO cost. So we're only going to do it for the inventory that we have left. So those 14 were priced at $10.46 a piece. So my FIFO cost then for that is going to be $146.44. I used all 20 of those, so this is going to be easy. I'm just going to copy that number here that we already figured out, so 210.8. Okay, and then I'm going to figure out my total FIFO cost, which will be $357.24. Okay, so there's FIFO. Now we'll move on to LIFO. Now LIFO, the first couple columns, we're just going to copy. So I'm actually just going to copy in that information that I have up above. Because it's all going to be the same for that. Okay, now that we copy, oops, I forgot actually to put that up there. We should have totaled those and put that total in there. I just copied it down here, but I forgot to write it. Okay, so LIFO now. LIFO is last in, first out, meaning the last stuff that we bought is going to be the first stuff we sell. So that tells us this information is going to be blank down here. We're going to start up at the top. So right away, I'm going to put that 34 down at the bottom because I should have 34 total at the end. Okay, and I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to use all 8 from above. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 34 and 8. That tells me I still have 26 in my inventory that I need to figure out. So that tells me 20 I'm going to use from that February. So subtract 20 from that. I have 6 left. So now I'm going to use 6 from that May purchase. Okay, so here's going to be my total 34. These 3 together will total 34, and that is my ending inventory. Again, I need to figure out my LIFO cost then. So this first 2 are easy. I'm just going to copy that same number because we're using the full amount for those. Now that third one though, I'm taking 6 of that inventory at $10.36. So 62.16 there. Okay, I need to total all 3 of those together. For a total of 346.64. Okay, I also am going to do then my weighted average. So again, I'm going to be putting in my information from up above. So I'm going to copy this in. Because this does not change. Okay, so that is filled in, and now we actually do our calculations down here. So it says total of beginning inventory and purchases. So all we're doing, they're asking for this number here. That is the total of our beginning inventory plus all of our purchases that we made. So 911.68. Then we're going to divide by our total units. So that's going to be this one here. We had 88 units throughout the year. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and divide those. That gives us a weighted average price per unit of $10.36. Okay. We know that our units in our ending inventory were 34. We figured out our weighted average to be 10.36. So we're going to take 34 units at that price of $10.36. So this should give us $352.24. Okay, I'm going to check my answer. Make sure everything is good. And save and continue. You can now do the 5-2 on your own.